your girl Renee from Renee's Garden Adventures, and today I'm going to be trying to clean up all these pepper plants because I've got to get this area ready for my fall planting. And as you can see, I have a whole lot of peppers I have to harvest, so I'm at least try to get maybe like 2 buckets done because it is still hot out here. Woo! So as you can see, I'm starting to take these bell pepper plants out. Look at this one. This is a cubanelle. Look how beautiful this is. And I'm just going to go ahead and take this cubanelle because it is, look at my snippers, because it is ready to come off. And I'm not going to wait because I don't want the critters to get it before me. But look how beautiful this cubanelle pepper is. And usually my cubanelle peppers get really red and they are gorgeous, but that's okay because I'm going to take as many peppers as I can find. And I also was able to harvest the bell pepper. So I've only been out here for like 5 minutes and I've already harvested 2 good vegetables. So cubanelle, green bell pepper, and I'm going to clean up these grow bags, and then I'm going to start with that peppers, and I'm going to try to get these 2 cleaned off today. Even though they're still producing, I just got to take them out, and I think I have received a whole lot of beautiful peppers from these plants over here. So out with the peppers, in with my cabbage and my collards. All right, guys, let me get started. Guys, out of just this pot I've cleaned out, and I'm working on this pot, but look how many peppers that's on these plants. That's a lot of peppers that are still on this plant. So I'm going to get these 2 cleaned out, and then I'm going to go in because it is hot out here. As you can see how bright it is. But let me show you what I've been able to harvest so far. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it because I don't know if you guys are seeing this because the sun is so hot out here. But from that bucket and this bucket is how much I was able to receive. So like I said before, these pepper plants has given me a whole lot of peppers. So I ain't mad at it. It's done a great job. So let me finish cleaning up this plant, and then I'll show you how many peppers I was able to get off of this plant. Alright, so this is my harvest of the day. I was able to get a lot of peppers. Remember I showed you the bell pepper. I was able to get some okra that I said I better go ahead and get it while it was still there, because I don't know about you, but okra gets big really quick. And I was able to get some jalapeno peppers. So I was able to get a lot of peppers today. Woohoo! So excited, you guys. So I'm going to walk over into the green garden and just kind of look over there and see what's happening on that side of the garden. So let's go see how things are looking over there. Oh, but let me show you a picture of my grow table. I have a whole bunch of that Arctic King lettuce. I'm telling you guys, if you guys have never tried this Arctic King lettuce, you need to try and pick up some of these seeds. I got these, I think, from Baker's Creek, and they have been phenomenal. Non-stop. Just keeps on growing. And everything else on my grow table is looking lush and beautiful, and I'm so happy about that. So let's go over to the green garden and see what's happening over there. I'm over here in the green garden, and as you can see, I have got to harvest these shishitos, so I will probably do that tomorrow. Because look at these shishitos. Look at that. They are ready to be harvested. Look at that. Ready. Look at that. Good shishitos. Even got some red ones down here. They are ready. Look at my butternut squash back there. Can you guys see it? That one is coming along nicely. And then I have one over here. Look at that. That one is beautiful. And then that daikon squash in there. That's coming along nicely. So I am happy, happy, happy about the progress of the fruit that's over here. Let's go look at the cucumber plant. Okay, so I was able to harvest 2 of these tomatoes off of that tomato plant, and I still have tomatoes growing, so I'm happy about that. I have a shishito, which is right here, that is ready to be picked. So I'm going to take that one, put these in my pocket. And then over here, I was looking, and my cucumber vine is starting to grow here. And look what I have. You guys see I got a cucumber. Woohoo! So wish me luck on that. That's the one that's supposed to be self-pollinating. So fingers crossed that I at least get one cucumber off of that so I can see what it looks like. So sweet potatoes are looking good. They're starting to die off. So I'm hoping that by Thanksgiving, I'll be able to have some sweet potatoes to put on my table. And also Maggie sweet potatoes right there are doing good. Oh, and let me show you my watermelon. I'll go slow. I got a watermelon over here that it looks like it's done because it has that white haze on it, and it's a sugar baby, and this is the tendril right here, and that looks all crispy. So I think I may go ahead and take this watermelon. As you can see, I pulled it off and it looks good. So I'm going to harvest this, and I'm going to bring this in the house, because see how the tendril looks? It's all brown. So that's going to come in the house with me too. So I got one more over here. Let me see if I can back you guys out, because I got one more here, but I don't think this one is ready yet. See this one? Let's start moving some of the stuff out the way. See that one back there? The tendril is still kind of green, so that one isn't ready. So overall, the garden is looking good. I got to go and pick up my watermelon there. And then this is where I'm going to end the video, because, like I said, even though it looks cool out here, child, it is not cool out here. It is hot, hot, hot. And I do believe it's hot. Pick up my watermelon, and we're going to put this in the refrigerator, and then we'll open it together like we always do and see how it does. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video of me just walking around my garden, seeing what I have growing out here, and taking care of business, because that's what we do over here in Renee's Garden Adventure. We are taking care of business. And as you can see, my hostas are turning their fall color, meaning I have to come and chop them down to nothing. I have to plant this bed up. Hydrangeas are looking good. And my sweet potatoes down this aisle is looking good too. They're starting to turn, their leaves are starting to turn yellow, but I don't think they're ready yet. But I'm hoping between these buckets of sweet potatoes and the ones I have on the other side, I hope I'll have enough for a Thanksgiving dinner. And this Shasta daisy plant right here, I'll be cutting this down too, because, well, as you can see, now the buds are starting to come. Look. Because they haven't done anything all spring and summer, and they usually produce at least 1 or 2 flowers. But I'm still going to cut this back, and I think I'm going to end up taking these tomatoes out soon, because they're trying to grow me some tomatoes. But child, this tomato plant, whew, it's like falling all over into my echinaceas. See that? But they have a tomato here. See that one? So I may let it stay till I get that tomato. And then that tomato is coming. That plant is coming out. All right, guys, let me grab all of my stuff that I harvest. Echinacea is looking good still. And everything else on my deck is looking fantastic. All right, let's put our watermelon inside our basket. And I'm going to say have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And I will definitely see you guys in the next video. I'm emptying my pockets of all my stuff that I collect as I walk around the garden. So I understand now when you guys are walking around your garden and you're saying, oh, I forgot my basket. And then you start stuffing things in your pocket. Well, child, I'm just like you, stuffing stuff in my pocket. All right, love you all, and I will catch you in the next video. Have a wonderful day, you guys. Take care.